Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore something not often talked about but very important. What it means when a man ejaculates, but no sperm comes out. This isn't just a medical topic, it's a real-life issue that affects many men and their families. Whether you're here out of curiosity or looking for answers, we'll break it all down in a simple and relatable way. Let's dive in. Ejaculation is a natural process where fluid is released from the male reproductive system during orgasm. This fluid, called semen, usually contains sperm, which is essential for reproduction. But sometimes, men notice that their semen doesn't seem to have sperm, or there's very little fluid at all. This is known as inability to release sperm during ejaculation, and it's important to understand what it means. Ejaculating without sperm doesn't necessarily mean you're infertile. It just means something in the reproductive system isn't working quite right. To understand why this happens, let's take a closer look at how sperm is made and released. The journey of sperm starts in the testes, where they're created. They then travel to the epididymis to mature and are stored there until needed. When the body is ready to ejaculate, sperm moves through small tubes called the vas deferens, where they mix with fluids from other glands like the prostate and seminal vesicles to form semen. This mixture then exits the body through the urethra. If sperm isn't present, something is disrupting this process. For some men, no fluid comes out at all, which is called a dry orgasm. For others, the fluid might look different, like being clear or watery, because it's missing sperm. These differences often point to specific causes. One common cause is retrograde ejaculation. In this condition, sperm ends up going backward into the bladder instead of out through the urethra. This happens when the muscle that controls the direction of semen doesn't work properly. It's not harmful, but it can affect fertility. Men with retrograde ejaculation may notice their urine looks cloudy after orgasm because the sperm is mixed in with it. Certain medications, like those for high blood pressure or depression, can cause this problem. Surgery involving the bladder or prostate can also affect how this muscle works. Another possibility is a blockage in the reproductive system. Small tubes, like the vas deferens or ejaculatory ducts, can get blocked because of infections, injuries, or even conditions you're born with like cystic fibrosis. When this happens, sperm is made but has no way to leave the body. There's also a condition called azoospermia, where no sperm is produced at all. This can be due to hormonal imbalances or genetic issues. Hormones like testosterone and others play a big role in sperm production, and when these are out of balance, it can stop sperm from being made. Lifestyle choices can also affect sperm production. Stress, smoking, drinking too much alcohol, and exposure to harmful chemicals can lower sperm count or stop production altogether. Even spending too much time in hot environments, like hot tubs or saunas, can have an impact. Age can play a role too. As men get older, their bodies go through changes that can make conditions like retrograde ejaculation or hormonal imbalances more likely. Temporary cases of inability to release sperm during ejaculation can also happen because of mental health challenges. Stress, anxiety, or relationship difficulties can interfere with how the brain and body communicate during ejaculation. Emotional health plays a bigger role in physical health than many people realize. Certain medical treatments, like chemotherapy or radiation, can also affect sperm production. These treatments target fast-growing cells, which include the cells in the testes that make sperm. Sometimes these effects are temporary, but they can also be long-lasting. If you're experiencing inability to release sperm during ejaculation, the first step is to see a doctor to find out what's going on. They'll ask about your health history and might do a physical exam. Tests like semen analysis, blood tests for hormones, and imaging scans can help pinpoint the issue. The good news is that there are many ways to treat inability to release sperm during ejaculation, depending on the cause. If it's due to retrograde ejaculation, medications can help the muscle work better. If there's a blockage, surgery can often fix it. For hormonal problems, treatments like hormone therapy can help get sperm production back on track. For men who want to have children, assisted reproductive technologies like IVF can make it possible. Even if sperm isn't in the semen, it can sometimes be retrieved directly from the testes or other parts of the reproductive system and used to fertilize an egg. Lifestyle changes can also make a big difference. Eating a healthy diet, staying active, and reducing stress can improve sperm health. Quitting smoking, cutting back on alcohol, and avoiding toxins in the environment can also help. Foods rich in antioxidants like fruits, vegetables, and nuts are especially good for protecting sperm from damage. Emotional support is important too. If inability to release sperm during ejaculation is causing stress or strain in your life or relationships, talking to a counselor or therapist can help. Having open conversations with your partner can make the journey easier for both of you. Research in reproductive health is always advancing, and new treatments and technologies are being developed all the time. For example, scientists are looking into stem cell therapies and other innovations that could one day offer even more solutions for men with inability to release sperm during ejaculation. To wrap it up, ejaculating without sperm might seem alarming, but it's often just a signal that something in the body needs attention. It doesn't always mean infertility, and there are many causes and treatments. Whether it's a temporary issue or something that needs medical care, there's almost always a way forward. With the right information and support, you can take charge of your health and move toward a solution that works for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content. See you next time.